belongs to my mom. It is her diamond ring.
A diamond ring is very special. It is very expensive. I lost it. I lost my mom's diamond ring. Mom is not home right now, but she will come home soon. I need to find it. I need to find it right now. Let me tell you what happened this morning. My name is Lily. I am 10 years old. My mom left early today. She went to work. I saw Mom's ring box on her table. It was open. What could it be? Inside the box, there was a beautiful ring. A diamond ring. It was so beautiful. It was shiny and bright. I put it on my finger. I said, "Wow! I look like a princess." I know I should not touch Mom's things, but the ring was so pretty. I went to the living room. I wanted to play. I sat on the floor. I started to play with my toys. I forgot about the ring. I was just playing and having fun. Then I was hungry. I went to the kitchen to make a snack. I washed my hands. The water was cold. And then, I looked at my hand. The ring was gone.
Maybe it fell off in the water. Maybe it went down the drain. No, I do not see it. It is not in the sink. My heart is beating very fast. I am very scared.
Okay, before we continue the story, let us learn some important words.
Under. Something is you under the table. The ball is under the table. Behind. Something is behind the box. The cat is behind the box. Inside. Something is inside the bag. The book is inside the bag. Between. Something is between two cups. The pen is between the cups.
On top of. The ring is O on top of the box. Do you see it?
Now let us help Lily find the ring. She will look everywhere. I need to think. Think. Where did I go today? What did I touch? First, I was in Mom's room. Then, I was in the living room. Then, I was in the kitchen. I will start in the living room. I will look everywhere. Is the ring you under the sofa? Let me look. Look. I see dust. I see a small red pen. But I do not see the ring. Maybe it is under the coffee table. Let me check. No, it is not there. The ring is not under the coffee table. Maybe it is behind the TV. I will look behind the TV. I see cables. I see a button. But I do not see the ring.
behind the TV. Let me keep looking.
Maybe it is between the sofa cushions. Rings can fall between cushions. I find some coins. I find a biscuit that is old, but no ring. Is it O on top of the bookshelf? Sometimes I put things up there. I see some books. I see a small toy car. No ring.
I feel like crying. I am so scared. I am so scared. No, I must not cry. I must keep looking. I must be strong.
Now I will check the kitchen. Maybe it fell off when I was washing my hands. I look inside the sink. I look in every corner. Good. The drain has a cover. The ring could not go inside. Maybe it rolled under the kitchen table. Let me look under the table. I see a breadcrumb on the floor. But no ring. Is it behind the refrigerator? Sometimes small things roll behind the fridge. Maybe it fell inside the fruit bowl. Let me check inside. No ring in the fruit bowl, just apples and oranges. I check behind the kitchen curtains. Nothing.
I cannot find it. It is not in the kitchen. It is not in the living room. Wait, I was also in Mom's bedroom this morning. Maybe I dropped it there.
I run to Mom's bedroom. I open the door slowly. Mom's room is very tidy. Everything is in its place. I go to Mom's dresser. This is where I took the ring this morning.
I look behind the perfume bottles. Maybe it is hiding behind them. Nothing. The ring is not behind the perfume. I checked everywhere.
Maybe it fell inside the drawer. I open the drawer carefully. I see socks. I see some small papers. I see a hair clip, but no ring. I look under the dresser. It is very low. I put my cheek on the floor. I can see something small under the dresser. Something shiny.
Wait. Is that the ring? I try to reach it with my hand, but my arm is too short. I need something long, something I can use to get it out. I find a ruler on Mom's desk. A ruler is long and flat.
I lie down on the floor. I push the ruler under the dresser. It comes out. I pick it up. I look at it. It is the ring. I found the ring. It was under the dresser.
I feel relief. Relief means you are happy because a problem is finished. But wait, I still have a problem. I took Mom's ring without asking.
Sticky, someone upon a stretch, but the cake and first small one.
Lily, I am home, sweetheart. Where are you?
Mom!
I
walk slowly to the stairs. My legs feel heavy.
Hello, my love. How was your day? It was great, Mom. I'm so happy to see you.
Lily? Is everything okay? You look upset.
Lily wants to speak, but the words are hard. She is scared.
Come here. Tell me, what happened?
What happened? Mom, I am so sorry. I took your ring this morning. I put it on my finger to play. And then I lost it. I lost your ring, Mom. I looked everywhere. It was under your dresser. I used a ruler to get it out. I am really, really sorry, Mom. Please forgive me. I will never do it again.
Lily, I am happy you told me the truth. That is very brave.
Oh.
This ring is special to me. It was a gift from your grandmother.
I know, Mom. I know it is very special. I am so sorry.
Next time, please ask me first. Do not touch my things without asking.
I promise, Mom. I will always ask first. I am so sorry. I love you too, Mom. I feel better now. The truth was hard, but it helped.
Now everything is okay. Lily is safe. The ring is safe. And Mom is not angry.
Great job today, everyone. Now let us review what we learned. Under. The ring was under the dresser. It was below the dresser.
Let us say it together. The ring was under the dresser. Say it with me. Say it. The cat is behindy the sofa. Behind. Very good. Between. Lily looked between the sofa cushions. On top of. Lily looked on top of the bookshelf. On top means above something. Say it. The ring is on and top of the table. On top of. Great work.
Now let us review the phrases for saying sorry. Lily said, I am sorry, Mom. Say it with me. I am sorry. Now let us say the full apology. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. I will never do it again. Behind TI. Lily looked behind the TV. Why? Inside the bottom. The ring is inside the box. On top of. She looked on top of the bookshelf. You did it! You finished the whole story today. I am so proud of you. Now here is a question for you. Where was the ring? Where did Lily find it? Thank you so much for watching today's story. You are an amazing learner. If you liked this story, please press the subscribe button right now. And press the like button if Lily's story made you happy. Please write in the comments, I found the ring. It was under the dresser. Can you write it? Goodbye for now. Keep learning, keep trying. You are doing so well. See you next time.